Good morning.
Very good morning.
How are you?
I'm absolutely fine.
Are you comfortable?
Yes,
Shall we begin the interview?
by all means.
Let's get started. This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System taking place on Tuesday, the 4th December 2018 at Hotel Diamond, center number LP7423. The candidate is Pawan Kaushik and the candidate number is 021964. The examiner is Rajiv Bhatia and the examiner number is 0528568. I'll begin with the introductory part where I will ask some questions related to your life. Firstly, tell me your full name.
My name is Pawan Kaushik.
How may I call you?
You can call me with my first name Pawan.
Can I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Pawan, do you study or you work?
I am a student. Currently, I am pursuing a diploma in hotel management from Delhi College of Management.
Pawan, now I will ask some questions about your hometown.
Okay.
Tell me something about your hometown.
Karnal is my hometown, which is a small but beautiful place in Haryana. It is situated on NH1 and almost equidistant from national capital Delhi and Chandigarh, that is the joint capital of Haryana and Punjab. It is known for the birthplace of Kalpana Chawla, a famous astronaut, and Asia's largest dairy farm, NDRI. It is also the originating place of Liberty Group, which is a renowned shoe manufacturing company in the world.
What are the interesting places in your city?
Karan Lake is the best place where people can enjoy boating and delicious food along with drinks. There is a huge park known as Atal Park, which is a fine place for relaxation and hanging around. Restaurants like Vivan and Haveli are known to serve a variety of cuisines, and if budget is not an issue, then one can also visit Noor Mahal, which is a 5-star hotel.
What is the best way for outsiders to reach your hometown?
It is quite convenient for visitors to reach my city because of its location beside NH1. Bus connectivity is quite good over 24 hours a day, and it is easily accessible from train as well.
At what time of the year should one visit your city?
I would recommend people to come when the weather is good. It gets too hot and humid in summers, so it's better to visit either in September, October or February, March, when weather remains quite pleasant so that one can comfortably roam around the iconic places of the city.
Would you like to settle here in future?
Well, future is uncertain. I cannot be sure about my future plans. In case I get good earning opportunity in my hometown after my studies, I will definitely choose to live here with my family.
This is the end of part 1. Let's move on to part 2, which is a cue card. You will be given a topic. You can make notes for 1 minute, then you have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Your topic is: describe your favorite restaurant that you often visit. What and where it is, how often you visit that, how it is different from others. Here is the pencil and paper for notes.
Shall I speak?
Yes.
Although there are a number of good restaurants in my hometown, which I occasionally visit, but the one I really like over others is Karnal Haveli, which is situated in the outskirts area of Karnal at NH1, and it is among the topmost chain of hotels and restaurants of North India. I do not frequently visit this, but if there is any guest or relative at my home, then I prefer to take them to this place. I also like to organize my birthday party here for a different experience. There are many features which make this place unique and a perfect destination for food lovers and party animals like me. Basically, it is a Punjabi themed restaurant, which is quite clear from its name itself. Haveli is a generic term used for a traditional townhouse and mansion in India and Pakistan, having historical and architectural significance. It is aesthetically pleasing from inside out in all the ways, such as texture and design of the walls, tables, and chairs, and the entire cutlery. Everything reflects the rich Punjabi culture in a graceful manner. All the serving staff members look different in specially designed kurta pajamas, which is a typical Punjabi outfit. It is a multi-cuisine restaurant, but they are specifically known for their large variety of delicious Punjabi food. I would give full marks to the well-mannered staff members and their quick service. Last but not least, it is not very expensive compared to other restaurants of the similar standards. Overall, it is quite an excellent and suitable place for occasional dining out.
Now I will ask some follow-up questions. Why do you think people go to restaurants?
Obviously, people get sick of eating the same kind of homemade food every day. It is not easy to cook special food items at home. That is why they prefer dining out occasionally to enjoy something different as well as delicious. Another reason can be the hectic schedule most people have nowadays. They probably save their precious time and energy by eating in a restaurant.
Why do most people book hotels for parties and ceremonies now?
Well, people nowadays seek more luxury and comfort, and they are happy to pay extra for it. Organizing parties in hotels give them freedom to enjoy more because everything is looked after by hotel management, such as variety of delicious food, music, and comfortable ambience.
Do eateries serve good quality food at reasonable cost?
It varies place to place. I have seen many restaurants which offer good food at reasonable cost, but there are numerous places which keep very high tariffs for their food items. No doubt, usually high quality products are more expensive.
What kind of food is served in restaurants nowadays?
These days, most restaurants are multi-cuisine. Because of varied taste and preference of consumers, you can normally see different cuisines on the menu such as Chinese, Thai, continental, South Indian, and traditional Punjabi food.
What type of food is popular among people in your area? Traditional or fast food?
Well, the food preference of people changes with age. Children and youngsters prefer eating fast food excessively, while adults give more priority to traditional cuisine owing to their health concerns. Even I have noticed that availability of fast food outlets is far higher in my area, which clearly shows that intake of the junk food is on the rise.
Okay, Pawan, this is the end of your speaking test.
Thank you.